Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you very beautiful animal patterns of crochet. Crochet is one of the most important and most attractive creature. We all love this. There are some beautiful toys for your children and these look very attractive. Crochet animals and amigurumis are also much fun to make. They are cute, quick and portable projects that can be whipped up in a short amount of time. Plus, they are perfect for beginners. In this video, we share more than 45 of our favorite crochet animal patterns. So whether you are looking for a little project for yourself or want to make a handmade gift, you'll find the perfect pattern right here. Thanks for watching my video, liking it and sharing it. Keep watching it. Now there are crochet softies and amigurumis. If you want to try your hand at making cute crochet animals, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll show you different easy animal patterns for beginners. What is amigurumi? This is the question. Amigurumi is the Japanese art for crocheting or knitting yarn creatures. It comes from the Japanese words that means crocheting a stuffed doll. Amigurumi only became popular in US in early 2000s. In 20th century, Japan, however, has practiced this fun, adorable art for decades. There is a lot of variety when it comes to amigurumi. You can make a big and a small that you like it. Still, most amigurumi patterns you will find are for small creatures. Everyone seems to love these cute crochet animals. Amigurumi projects make perfect gifts, especially for babies and kids. Absolutely, amigurumis can be wonderful project for those just beginning their crochet journey. To make most beginner level amigurumi patterns, you'll need to know a handful or a simple crochet stitches like a single crochet increase and decrease. You also need to know how to sew piece together embroidery facial features to bring your amigurumi creators to life. There are few stitches and techniques that you'll find in nearly every amigurumi pattern. Here are most popular that you will see: the single crochets, increase and decrease, crocheting in spiral rounds, changing colors, the best yarn for making crochet animal. This is most of important thing. Most amigurumi patterns suggest the cotton yarn in either a decay or worsted weight. Cotton yarn is easy for beginners to use and give your project great stitch definition too, as will all crochet projects. Amigurumi projects require yarn and crochet hook. You also want to have a yarn needle and scissors. Other tools are often needed. These are very beautiful patterns. There are different dragons you can see in the video, many cute little animals, many amigurumis. You all like this long-legged cat.